Hello.
Hello and good morning. We're just waiting for the rest. Where are they? All right, so let's start now. Today we're going to review our lesson in science and then we will play quizzes later. So
Okay.
what we're going to review today will also come out to the quizzes. Now let's start. So we already know what is motion, right? What do you mean by motion? What is motion? Anyone?
Yes, motion is the one if you move fast or slow.
Mm-hmm. Okay, motion shows.
Like this, teacher. Like this. The flash is very fast, and then somebody is trying to keep up with him, but it is
Mm-hmm.
ooh.
Yes. Okay, so in short, if an object is in motion, it actually changes the position, right? It changes position. It changes place to place. So just like what we have in the video. So motion again described as the movement of an object, body over distance in time, or maybe described as the change in position. You have here, a body cannot move or come to halt if it is already in movement. Okay, so this is known as inertia. So what are the law of motion? What are the three law of motion?
Uh, three law of
Newton's
motion. Let
mhm,
me. I'm
Newton's
reading.
three law of motion.
I, I'm thinking.
Huh?
I'm thinking.
You're thinking?
The like where you the ball is going line, and
Mm-hmm.
then the gravity.
Three laws of motion of motion by
Yeah, like
by Newton. Okay,
this
so you have
one
here
is
the
this
first
line.
one is what we call inertia, right? So inertia is the sudden,
Teacher, the next one is force, right?
huh? No. Okay, so the first one we have is the law of motion states wherein your body is at rest or in motion. Okay, so if your body is at rest, it means it's at rest. If your body is in motion, it means it's in motion. Not unless there is an external force. Okay? Not unless there is an external force. So that means that the things cannot move or change direction on their own. And this is what we call Newton's first law of motion, which is the inertia. Next, you have the second law of motion. Eyes here on the screen.
Acceleration and more acceleration. I know that.
So you have here the law of acceleration. Okay, so law of acceleration, it is when the speed goes up. Okay, so from low going high. Next, the third law of motion. Okay, so you have here in every action there is an equal or opposite reaction for
That
the
is
third
Why do you say
law.
that, teacher?
you. You don't. go to the boat like this, teacher. The boat's like this one.
Mm.
Then you go to the edge of the boat and
No,
then
this is just an example. This is just an example, okay? So for the third law, it actually means that in every action you do, there's always an opposite reaction, okay? So you have here the translatory motion. Again, translatory motion is when an object in a straight line, like vehicle traveling on a road or falling down, it's just straight line, okay? Next, rotational motion. Rotational motion is the movement of an object in a circular path, just like the Earth. You know, the Earth will actually rotate at the same time while it travels around the sun. Then you have the periodic motion. The periodic motion is like the pendulum or the rocking chair, okay? Just like this one. This one.
it's rotation, rotation, translation, and
Mm. Okay, so next you have another one. When something moves, its position changes. So motion is a change in position, in short. Some ways objects move up, down, around, zigzag, or sideways. So this one right here is what we call the position. It is when an object moves up, down, around, sideways, or zigzag. You can describe an object's motion by telling how its position change. Okay, so example, no, just like our cat or dog, they always like move around and they always change position. So next one, you have the speed again. What is speed? Speed is something such as snails move slowly, others such as cheetahs move quickly.
teacher.
Mm-hmm.
Teacher, this is speed. Look at my hand.
Mm. Okay, so speed, yes. Speed is how far something moves. Okay, how far in a certain amount of time. So distance is the amount of space between the two objects or places. Okay, so you have here an example given. Which animal is the fastest? Which do you think is the fastest animal?
The cheetah.
Huh? Cheetah, yes. Okay, so cheetah is the fastest animal. What's the second fastest animal?
Teacher.
Lion.
Huh? You have the lion. Yes, next to lion, we have
Zebra. Hunting dog. Zebra.
huh? Mm-hmm.
Bunting
You
dog.
have the
Hunting dog.
Cape hunting dog. Next to Cape hunting dog, you have the
Zebra.
zebra. Then the last one is the
Grizzly bear.
grizzly bear. The grizzly bear. Okay, so as what you can see here.
I have a question.
Yes, what is it?
Why didn't they put an ostrich there? Ostrich move really fast.
It depends, okay? This one is in the website. I just took it in the website. All right, so let's continue now.
Okay.
All right, so here you have the distance traveled and the meters per hour. Okay, you have here, as what you can see, the cheetah can travel 70 meters per hour. Here you have here. So this part right here is what we call the distance and speed at the same time. Okay, so other than that, you can also measure the distance by using the kilometers. And the unit for speed, you have kilometer per hour. Okay, aside from the meters per hour. All right, so this time, I guess everyone is ready. Are you guys ready? Do you have questions about the lesson about motion and position?
Mhm.
Huh? Are you
Yeah.
sure? This, this,
Yeah.
this will come out in the quizzes today. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, I guess everyone is ready. Let's do the quizzes. Okay, you
Sir,
have
can I
the
use the chat
link.
box? Can I use the chat box?
You can use the chat box
Can I also use the chat box?
here.
Teacher, don't see your screen.
Here, wait. Select a team. I use dog team. Name and tell.
Are you guys ready? I can see Johan, Seth, Adrian, Sean, Natalia, Eliza, Micah, Anthony, Zachary, and Sophia.
I really gonna win. What's like me, Eliza and Joe?
Sean. Okay. Waiting for Andre. How about Rizel? Rizel? Okay.
Accounts are flow and object is movement.
Okay, you have here how fast or slow an object is moving. The choices are direction, Position, distance, or speed. So which do you think is the correct answer? Direction, position, distance, or speed?
Correct.
Okay, so the correct answer is speed. Next.
An object blank is
An object is blank if its position changes. In motion, at rest, this is not reset, a frame of reference, or magical.
for us
And in first place.
in second place.
Okay, so the correct answer is in motion. So if an object is in motion, it actually changes the position. Always remember that. You know it, right? Next.
Where the ball?
So where is the ball? On the table, under the table, or in the table?
I'm correct. I'm correct.
Right. Correct answer is
I'm in
Under
C.
the
Under the table. Next.
Where is the
So
apple?
where is the apple? On the book, next to the book, or in the book? Okay, so the correct answer is next to the book. Number 5 question.
Where is the cat?
So where is the cat? On the chair, beside the chair, or beneath the chair? Okay, so it's beneath the chair. Next.
The runners move forward in a
So the runners move forward in a what? Run around motion, zigzag motion, straight line motion, or back and forth. Okay, you need to think properly with the question. You got all the time.
Teacher, why is that the Naruto run? It's the Naruto run. Naruto run.
Right. So you have here, it's actually in straight motion. Next.
A swing moves.
So a swing moves what? Straight line, back and forth, round and round, or zigzag. Okay, so as what we all know, the swing also shows the third law of Newton's motion, law of motion.
Why is that
Pendulum.
in first place? But actually, I'm in sixth place in there.
I don't know, maybe there's something wrong. Sometimes it depends on the internet connection. Okay, so you have here unit of distance. What do we use for the unit of distance? Liters, tons, kilogram or kilometers?
Incorrect. Again.
Okay.
Incorrect.
So as what you can see, the correct answer is kilometers, right? Unit of distance. Liters are for when do we use liters for? We use liters for liquids. Tons for heavy objects, solid. Kilogram for heavy objects. Kilometers for distance.
Mine was almost kilogram, but then I knew it was kilometers.
Unit of speed.
Okay, you have unit of speed. What do you use for the unit of speed? Kilogram, liter, meter, kilometer per hour.
Like the answer.
Kilogram sa kano like magtimbang ng baboy mo. Umala.
The answer properly. I'm correct. Again.
Okay, so the correct answer is kilometer per hour. For the unit of speed, it shows the distance and the time. Okay. The time is used to measure how long this or how far the distance the object is. Next, number 10. Which tool measures distance? Meter stick, stopwatch, hand balance, or thermometer?
Teacher, what's a thermometer?
You don't know
Thermometer is what you use for you when you're sick or have fever.
Here.
I get it. Thermometer. I get it. I get it now. I'm correct again.
Okay, so the correct answer is meter stick. Meter stick is used for measuring distance, stopwatch for the time, and then you have pen balance. Pen balance is like a weighing scale, and then thermometer for sickness, for the fever,
Teacher, I was.
temperature. Huh? Okay, so let's
I got all my answers correct.
I got all of it correct too, 100%.
I got 9.
X. I just have one room.
Who's the
Okay,
winner?
so you have Sean, followed by Natalia, and then Johan.
Congratulations, Joe.
Congratulations, everyone.
I see my
Johan
teacher.
gets the happy when he's winner, but when he's not the winner, Johan gets sad. He's like, I'm gonna be the winner of that box. I mean,
It's
I
okay. It's normal.
did not happen to us.
What did you say, Zach? Okay, let's.
Why am the fast of speed?
So you have here Natalia, Johan, Seth, and then Zach. Oh, okay. So what you can see, there are 2 winners. I mean, 2 first placer. You have Natalia and then John. And then you have second placer, Johan. Third placer, Seth and Zachary. That's why.
And
Then
fourth
fourth
place is
one,
Liza.
Liza, Micah, Andre, Sophia, Adrian, then Anthony.
Teacher.
Yes?
Teacher. Fast movement. Why didn't it include an ostrich? Fish.
It was not. It wasn't included in the picture. It's because that picture has been a long time ago. Okay, so do you have any questions about our review in science today? No questions. Okay, so we'll see each other again later in Filipino Odyssey class.
Teacher Diana,
Okay, so goodbye, everyone.
there pointers inside is do we have to do pin pointers?
Huh?
Pointers to study.
Yes, there is a pointers for the mastery test, but we will send it this weekend, I guess. I'll send it this weekend or next week. Okay, so goodbye for now. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.